So, as many of you know, GoPro Mini 11 is freezing up every single day on me. I'm usually seeing it freeze about 3 times a day when I fly my 10 packs. So that's like a lot of freezing and lost footage that's just not happening. It'll go like 2-3 minutes into the footage and then it'll just stop. It happens whether or not it's in the case, whether it's out here in open air, it'll freeze. It's not getting super hot like my 10s used to. It just freezes, and then you gotta like press the button for 10 seconds to restart it. So I've been on the phone with GoPro. That was a waste of time. They don't have support documentation for this yet. They don't have any troubleshooting information. They can't make any recommendations on how to fix the problem. That's it. They have no support for this currently. The only thing that they will do is they'll send me a replacement. And I got to ship this one off and wait 3 to 5 days to get a replacement in the mail from them. I'm probably going to do that and just see, because this thing's not recording when I need it to record. It's losing footage on me. It's amazing quality. I love the image on it. I love the size. I like the form factor, but it's fucking up. So I got on the phone with them and asked them a bunch of questions. I said, does the full-size 11 have the same problem? And he said, yes. The full-size 11s are getting reports every day that they're also freezing. It's not just the Mini. I was like, well, should I go back to a 10? Will a 10 not freeze on me? He's like, probably. You should probably go back to a 10. What the fuck, GoPro? We paid top dollar for this shit. You delayed the launch, I assumed to get it right before you released it, but then it released without it. They did say that there's a potential that there's an update coming, but they had no clue when. They don't even have support documentation to troubleshoot this thing. So I've had several people have told me that it's my SD cards. I am using the SanDisk Extreme. That's the gold and red SD cards. Let me just pop this bitch out. Right here. These guys. Some people have told me to try the Extreme Pro cards, and I think that's probably the best idea I've heard yet, to upgrade it to a better, faster card. I know my 10 really struggled with the Ultra cards, and I had to upgrade to Extreme cards to get that to work. And so I've got one that's going to be here in the mail tomorrow. But GoPro wouldn't tell me that. I asked them specifically, is there a problem with my card maybe? Should I try something different? I don't know, sir. We don't have any support documentation. I'm really fucking disappointed in you, GoPro. But nothing else has better image quality than you, so what the fuck am I supposed to do? I guess just go to an old GoPro that's proven. But I really wanted the weight savings, so we shall see. I'm going to try the new card. I'll update you guys, let you know if a new card makes the situation any better. I kind of think that might be the hitch here, is the card speed, because it's not getting super hot. I've had several people tell me, like, Dave, this case it's just too thick. Like, it's not too thick. It's coming out cool. It's not like, I mean, it's warm. It's not like hot. Like my 10, this thing will freeze up every now and then, and when it does, it is blazing hot. I pop the battery out. The battery is cooked. It's just super fucking hot. And replacing the battery, putting a new one in, usually gets it working again, and it'll work for most of the rest of the day. But this one has also been dropped on its head a bunch, and the Mini 11 is pretty much brand new. I haven't even broken a lens on it yet. It's been freezing up since day one though, so what the fuck, GoPro?